Hello friends. So Government of India has recently released vehicle scrappage policy. Now this is something very important and this has been in discussion for some time now, and in fact industries are also in board. Now this policy is all about the vehicles getting old and everything needs to be properly dismantled through a vehicle scrappage unit where we can get the raw materials in fact for the new products such as copper, rubber and other rare earth materials as well. Now this is important for our as an upstream for automatic cars, electronic cars and other possible research. Apart from that, definitely the generic raw material for building of new cars. Now, that is one. Secondly, if we see in terms of pollution, it will help in protecting the environment in terms of more and more pushing towards scrapping of old vehicles and incentivizing purchase of new vehicles. There's a rebate of 5% as well for the consumers who are going through this process and buying a new vehicle. So overall, the idea is to improve the recycling and use the ingredients proper relevant materials, raw materials. And if we look into the overall, the private players are on board in a way that the government is going through a PPP mode to institute 50 such vehicle scrappage units in all across India, and by 2023, and that will be through PPP mode, and private players like Tata Motors, Maruti, Mahindra and Mahindra, they have shown their interest in operating, uh, setting up these vehicle scrappage units. The estimated cost of setting up one unit is approximately 18 crore if the land is being leased out from the government. If it is being bought, then it is 33 crore. So these are the estimates by recent report. Uh, so if we look into this uh, directional change or this expediting the case of scrapping of old vehicles, then overall that will augment the industry, and this vehicle scrappage industry in itself, it's a $6 billion market. So revenue generating potential is there, and hopefully we have a good public-private partnership in this, and it sets a new trend on the lines of Western countries. Thank you.